Hi guys, it's Abang Bule once again here with Eats, Meets and Greets. Today we're going to try some bakso, which is a beef ball made in Indonesia, very famous. These Indonesians eat it every time of day, morning, lunchtime, evening, it doesn't matter. So we're here at Bakso Rusok Jos. Okay, and I'm here today with Miss Meena, and we're going to go in, I'm going to let her order, and we're going to enjoy the food and see what it's like. So follow me. Miss Meena.
Halo.
Hi. Assalamualaikum.
Mbak, ini betul bakso rusuk yang fenomenal itu yang aduh, kayaknya saya cobain ya. Boleh ya? Terima kasih. Nah, terima kasih. Terima kasih. Ya, silakan. Ya, Mbak. Ada bakso, ada mie ayam, ada bakso yang lagi viral ini. Ada lava, busuk setan, buaya, bambu, dan beranak jumbo. Oke. Let me I choose for you ya.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Mbak,
Bakso's
aku
bakso.
mau cobain yang viral aku ya. Dengan yang positif. Ya. Sisanya kasih saya surprise. Ya. Ya. Ya.
Huh? What was
Yang
that?
paling enak. Yang enak, enak kan?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Tenang
Yeah, all right.
aja, ya.
Yeah.
Oke, Mbak. Ya, terima kasih.
Okay, so we've just ordered the food and drinks, and we'll get back to you when that's on the table. We're going to try and this bakso is quite famous. As I said, it's from Kota Bekasi. Miss Meena there just ordered the food for us, so she's convinced me that it's great here. She's eaten here before, but I haven't, so it's kind of a new experience for me. So yeah, once the food's here, we'll get back to you. Whilst waiting for the food, I sneaked into the kitchen to see what the chef was up to. So the large triangular piece of meat there with the bone sticking out is a rib. They make the bakso into a rib shape. I'm not sure what that was because we didn't order that. My bakso, the Bakso Volcano, is coming out of the boiling pot and is going to be put into the black dish which has hot butter in it, and that will seal the edges and give it kind of a nice buttery flavour. The little bowls on the tray there are different styles of bakso that we ordered, and there's a big bowl of sauce that's like a spicy barbecue sauce. As I say, Miss Meena ordered the food for me, so I'm not entirely sure what's in it. I'll soon find out when it gets delivered to the table. Oh, look at that. Wow. That's big. That is big. This is going to be enjoyable. Terima kasih, Pak.
This is for you.
Oh,
Look at
thank
the
you.
size.
That is good. I like that with the big drink as well.
Oh, so Ibu teach us how to eat this at the top of bakso.
Okay, look at that. Wow. That is hot. Ooh, our sauce is hot. Let's see what we got here.
1, 2, 3.
Hang on. Can't grab that. Wow, look at that. All of those chilies inside. Amazing. There's whole chilies in there. There's actual little beef balls inside that. So you've got this solid meat here. Little beef balls with absolute tons of chili. This is going to be an exciting feed.
Here we go.
Right, so our food's been served, we've opened it up, now it's time to dig in and try this. So I'm going to start with a tiny little bakso that's inside covered in chili. Here we go.
Kita coba ya. Ini bakso viral, banyak cabenya. Kejutan dari saya buat abang.
Enough. That is really nice. The chilies have got heat to them. They're not the hottest chilies I've eaten.
Yang kebanyakan.
Oh, they are quite spicy.
Can help me? Maaf ya, because saya terlalu
What do you want?
supermodel.
Small. You want the chili? Okay. Well, I'm taking my hat off because I am starting to sweat here. Yeah, the chili's quite nice. There's a sweet flavour to it. Obviously, the whole chili's in there, very spicy. And I'm sure this is actually going to get hotter as it goes on. The spice is really starting to creep up now. Whether I'm going to be able to finish all the chilies or not, I'm not sure. But the beef, the beef itself is lovely. As I say, there's a sweet sauce that we poured on it at the beginning, which has actually taken away some of the heat. So this is called Bakso Volcano, and I know why. There's two eruptions really. One is the chili falling out of the Bakso, and the other eruption is going to be tomorrow. You know what I mean? The spice is really kicking in now. I've got tears coming out of my eyes. I think you say panas and pedas. Panas dan pedas, yeah?
Pedas.
Yeah, but panas because it's hot, and that really infuses and brings out the heat of the chilies. This is, I would say, this is probably about maybe 300 to 400, possibly 500 grams. That's half a kilo of meat. Damn good. Yeah. What's the verdict? Well, I'm giving it a thumbs up for street food and a thumbs up for Bakso Rusuk Jos. Anyway, that's from me, Abang Bule and Miss Meena. We'll see you next time on Abang Bule. Until next time, salamat makan.